Carrying a book from school.
Right?
Okay, let's see. Let me try one more shot here. Where is this at?
So do you see very many models come through here anymore?
Here and there. Haven't really. Oh, perfect. Haven't really been shooting a lot. Just because.
Just everything going on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice. Love it. This lighting's perfect. Excellent. You just have the most awesome poses.
Oh, well, thank you. Well, you shoot them well, so that helps.
Nice. Let me, I want to get a low angle. And that's low enough.
He's like, I've had it, I need to come up.